Good day everyone, especially to you Ma'am Maricel Maalihan. Good day po ma'am. Through this video, I'm gonna share my journey or my learnings in our subject, which is the world literature. So as a student, on my journey through the world of literature, I've learned a multitude of valuable lessons. First, I've gained a deeper appreciation for the diversity of human experiences and perspectives across different cultures and time periods. Each piece of world literature offers a unique lens through which to view the world, expanding my understanding and empathy. Furthermore, studying world literature has enhanced my critical thinking skills. Analyzing texts from various cultures has sharpened my ability to interpret complex themes, symbols, and narrative, fostering a deeper understanding of literary techniques and their cultural significance. Moreover, exploring literature from around the globe has broadened my cultural awareness and sensitivity. It has taught me to approach text with an open mind, recognizing the nuances of language, tradition, and history that shape each author's voice. I've also learned the importance of understanding the context of each work, as well as the literature's ability to give life to the emotions and experiences of people from different parts of the world. Another crucial lesson is the appreciation and support of the languages used by the writers, which provide history and identity to each cultures. Lastly, my journey through world literature has sparked a lifelong curiosity and thirst for knowledge. It has inspired me to continue seeking out new voices and stories both within and beyond the classroom. I strive to engage with the world in a more profound and meaningful way. Overall, studying world literature has given me a broader understanding of the world and myself as part of a larger society. And also, I want to take this moment to express my appreciation to our teacher in this subject, Ma'am Maricel Malihan, for the impact you have on my understanding and appreciation of world literature. Your passion for the subject is evident in every lesson, discussion, and the project nga mapagawas gyud ang among pagka-creative, ma'am. Thank you kayo, ma'am, kay gusto kayo ka maka-appreciate sa mga projects sa imong mga students, and I really admire you for that. Kay talagsa na lang yun ang mga teacher nga ingon nimo, like ang among kahago is na appreciate yun sa among teacher. And through your guidance, ma'am, I've not only learned about different cultures and literary tradition, but also developed a deeper empathy and understanding of the human experience. Thank you for going above and beyond to inspire and challenge us to think critically and creativity, ma'am. Your dedication to your students and the subject matter is truly commendable, and I feel fortunate to have the opportunity to learn from you. Your influence will continue to shape my perspective and appreciation for literature for years to come. Salamat kaayo, ma'am, ug para nako dili lang ka usa ka teacher, kundi usa ka inspirasyon sa mga estudyante pareha nako. Thank you, ma'am Maricel Malihan. Amping always.